boss, shirts, right? So you go in and you set this all up. Boss shirts, bling, boss t-shirt, mm, lady boss shirt for crafters. And we just keep on going, right? So you go in, you can do that. We can go here, like we can use AI. I have not set this up to, I have not used AI, so I'm not gonna, this is something you would have to pay for, right? So we're not gonna pay for it. But you would do this until this turns green. Okay. And so as you see, this is what's going to come up here on your website, right? Now this here, which is this title separator. Wait a minute. My slug should be Crafty Boss. And oh, let's go here to the title. Page separator, site title. Okay. I don't know why I'm not able to click on that. Here we go. Here's the title. For some reason I'm not able to click on that, y'all. I should be able to click on that. Let me publish this and see if that's still on there. It should update. So this is our product right now. We're just going to go in. We're going to view it. Right. So this is what we have right now. So of course nobody can buy it. Right. So let's go back over here and y'all know, I don't know what I'm reading, honey. Crafty Boss. Okay. Okay. So there is the Crafty Boss t-shirt. Okay. So let's add a picture of the Crafty Boss t-shirt. So let's go here. Remember we had that media library, the stuff that we uploaded. So let's say this is the Crafty Boss shirt. We can go here and we can upload it. Now, if we could also add, go in and add a new product if we don't have anything. So this is the product image and this would be the gallery. So if we had that Crafty Boss shirt in like 4 or 5 different colors, we could just add those in all in here at the same time. And now we have the product images in here. If we have, let's say this is going to be a certain category, we have not created a category. Let's say this is going to be t-shirts, right? Let's create a category called t-shirts. And now we're going to add it. Let's uncheck that category right here. So product tags would be Crafty Boss, Boss Apparel. You guys get it. Boss Gifts. Etc. Right? So those will be your tags. You want to put as many tags in the product as you can that are pertaining to your particular product. Right? Okay, so let's go in. Let's set up a price. The price for the Crafty Boss shirt is $20.99. We could add a sales price, and if you want to add a sales price, then you would just schedule it here. You can track inventory. You can add a SKU number, and let's say our SKU numbers are going to start with V0001. That's our first product, right? So you can track the quantity of the product or not track the quantity of the product. If you're selling a physical product, you can track it, right? If you're selling custom t-shirts and you don't have t-shirts that are in stock, then I do not recommend tracking things. You can also select things to be out of stock or on back order. If you select it out of stock, nobody can order it, right? Okay, so shipping we have not went in and set up, but we'll talk about shipping in another video on how to set up shipping. And this is where you would cross sell products. We don't have, this is our first product, so we don't have any products in here to cross sell. But if we had multiple products in here, we would type in the first 3 characters of another product and it would put those products at the bottom of our site. attributes here, this is for, let's say if you want to add an attribute, which would be sizes, things like that, then you would go in and you would add that here, but you would change this from a simple product to a variable product, okay? And then if you had it as a variable product, you would definitely have to use an attribute. And let's say our first attribute would be, let's just add a new one. And the first one is going to be color, right? So then let's go here and let's go white, put a straight line. So let's cap, I like to do that all caps. White, straight line, black. The shirt is going to be offered in, oh, that should be a straight line, y'all. Not a forward slash or a backward slash, but just a straight line going up and down. And then let's go white, black, and let's go pink. Those will be our variations, just to put any kind of variations in here. Okay, and then sizes, this would be, we'll just name this size, and then under size we'll say small, medium, large, XL, and we'll do 2X because I want you guys to see the how we're going to change this. So use the variation on the product page, right? So hit there. Okay. So now I want to do, we've got our attributes, right? So let's go over here because I want you guys to see what it looks like now. Let's preview the changes. So this is our product. The reason it's saying out of stock is because we added attributes. Attributes, but we did not add a variation. So here we're going to generate what's called variation. It will generate up to 50 different variations of that product for you. So right here, you then have to go in here. You could add a picture of the white shirt, right? We won't have a picture of a white shirt, but we're just going to put in a picture. You could add in a picture of the white shirt, and this is the small. You could make a different SKU number here. You could do different prices and all of that. If you want to do bulk actions, you could just do bulk actions and set up $20.99 price, which would be for everything, right? And then that will set the price on everything. And then you could just go here to this particular one, cancel that, and go edit, and then change that $20.99 to 24 or $25.99 because you know that that is going to be, it's going to cost you more, right? Am I on the extra large? I thought I was on the extra large, y'all. Let's see. Y'all know what I was meant to be on extra large. So we want that extra, I mean that 2X to cost us $25.99, right? So you can also say, do you want to manage stock? Is it a virtual product? Is it on sale or anything like that? And when you're done with all of that, you just hit save right here, right? Okay, so we can also add a short description right here. Let's see here. And I don't know what we want the short description to be, but let's just say, y'all know I got my top cap on and all that. So if anybody did a review, the review would pop up here. So now let's go here and let's update it. And then let's go in and let's preview. After, we don't have to preview it because we already updated. There's our product. We just created our first product. And in order to check out, They would choose the color shirt they want. They will choose whether they want small, medium, or large. Let's go down to 2X. I don't remember what color that was in 2X. So 2X black is $25, and then they could add it to cart. If they had, let's say we had this in blue and black, if we had changed out those products, we would have gotten, every time we switch this, it would go to the different color shirt that it is, right? So just kind of keeping that in mind so they can stroll through. So right now it's very, very basic. This is where we added that short words up here. I would do my keywords here. I would add some keywords here. When you get reviews, those reviews will be there. Whew. Okay, y'all. We on 97 minutes, baby. Y'all tired? I stay. Okay. So we got all of that now, and we're still over here on Astra. Let's go home. Okay. Okay. So now we can go here and we can start editing. We can start editing this page right here. Okay. But I forgot to put something in here, right? Because we can edit this by editing all of this stuff here, but that ain't what we want to do. We want to go over here and we want to add in another plugin, which is my favorite plugin and the only one that I'm going to ever use. Most of the time is going to be this one, which is going to be Elementor, because Elementor lets me do so much. Okay, so let's go here and add our plugin. Let's look for a plugin called Elementor. Elementor. Okay. Oh, okay. So here we go. We got Elementor. Elementor is a website builder. There are all types of website builders, but this is the one that I like to use, and it's compatible, and 5 million plus people use it. So I'm going to activate the Elementor plugin, guys. And so let's see here. We're not going to worry about that. We got Elementor right here. We're going to go in here and go into settings and what we want Elementor to be on. Disable default colors. We are fine with all of this. Integrations. If you want to add in Google Maps, you put in Google Maps API key. This all is pretty much you don't have to mess with. Okay, so let's go back over here to WordPress. Let's hit edit page. Now it's going to ask us to edit with Elementor, and now we can really just, with Elementor, we can drag and drop, right? So we're going to go here. We're going to close this out. This is our navigation. Now we can click on all of this stuff and change this stuff in Elementor, right, to what we want it to be. We could go in and oh, whoop, sorry guys, we go in and change this. Let's see here. Custom t-shirts. What is the deal? So then you put all of your little stuff there. Let's go here and we can update here. Oh, what happened, y'all? What happened? Go here and click update. Let's go back. Let me preview this website real quick because something has happened. Do the page and see. Oh, it's probably, this is white. It's white text. It is white text, y'all. Okay. Let you guys get the idea. Let's go back and go through our history, and let's go through our revisions. And we should be able to, that's crazy. I don't know why that did that, y'all, but that's crazy. So, I tell you what, I ain't gonna be playing with this thing like this here today. Let's go back, come on. Oh, my computer's moving slow. I got too much stuff going on. Got my computer. Too much stuff going on. Let me close out some of these other things that I have going on for quick, fast, and in a hurry. Okay, and then we'll go back to over here. Okay. Let's go here to, for some reason, y'all, that just disappeared on me, my whole front page. But I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's hit visit site and see. Okay, and now let's hit visit store. Let's see what's going on. Okay, this is my store in the background, right? I'm gonna go in and change some stuff real quick. So just work with me. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna change this menu right here. I'm gonna go in here on the menu. I've got home, services. I don't need a service page, so I'm gonna remove it. I don't need a review page. I'm going to remove the review page. I don't need a why us page. Why us and about us is about the same thing. So I'm going to remove the about us. I'm going to have a contact us, and then I'm going to have a shop page, and the shop page, I'm going to add that over to the menu, because this is what I want you to do, is I want my people to be able to go in and shop the page. That's the most important thing for them to do. Okay, so I'm gonna have them shop the page. So we got our home, our shop, and honestly, I will probably actually end up taking this home page off, because nobody really has home now, because most people know that if you click the logo, that'll take you to your home page, right? So let's say, for example, we got home, shop, why us, and contact us. And we could have a login if we had a login or something like that, which is the my account page. So let's go here and let's do this. Now we could have, let's say that we wanted to just go here and add a custom link, and then let's say we'll make the link say resources. So if you wanted to add a custom link, just put an asterisk or something there, right? A pound sign. And so then we have resources, and then we could have my account under resources like this, right? We could even have this under here. Or our terms and all of that type of stuff there under there. Let's go and take a look at this on the home page. Did I save it? Let's hit save. Okay. And now let's go back to the website and look at the website. Now I think that I may have, when I was up here, I think I changed the layout of Elementor. So let me go back in and change this. I think this is Elementor full page. And I bet now let's see if I can get a fresh start, y'all. Let's see if this will give me a fresh start. I just deleted everything to see if that will give me a fresh start. So I've never had that happen to me before. Okay. Okay. Now we got a new template. And I actually like this template better. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. So now we got a new template. So let's figure out this template. So we got shop page, our home page, we got a shop page right here. Let's go ahead and update this template. And let's change this here. And what do we want this to say? Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna hit undo. Move that back up there where it was. I got messed up a while ago, y'all. Okay, so here we go. So what we want to say, let's see. We're gonna say spring into savings. Because is it spring yet? Let's say spring into savings, okay? And then this goes into quote. Now this right here, you could just go in and change and add your logos. So right here, you just click on these logos, and then you could just insert, add to gallery right here. So let's say, let's go to here, here, and here, and here, and hit add to gallery. And let's take this logo off, and this logo, and this logo, and now that would change, right? But you notice when that changed, those are not the same size. So you will have to go in and edit anything that you upload. It all needs to be the same size. So let's go back and add to gallery and go these 2 3 and add those back, and then let's just take those back off, just showing you guys how to add something to your gallery. So here on this picture right here, if you want to change this image right here, you could edit this container and change. Let's see, where is this image at? This is this image. So you would change this image to, we need something that's going to be about the same size as that container. And so now we've changed that to that. Okay. So once you get it set up, it's pretty much drag. It is actually drag and drop. So here we can double click on this image and we should be able to edit it also. So there's our first girl. We could choose her. We can see. We'll go here and edit that with that, right? See how that looks? And so then you would just edit the wording on here. And just go ahead and go down with it. Just edit everything, edit it in your wording, change all of this stuff out and make everything your own. If you had a sale here, add that, add stuff that works for you. And then just kind of go in and take a go here. We can go there, and then we'll go here and let's just view our site and see what we have so far. And so here I might want to change out, I know we want to change that out, so let's go back, hit our back button, let's put our logo on there. So here on that header, I don't see it, y'all. Let me see when I go here. If I see it, there it is right there. But I'm not seeing it over here. So there's something that's in that layout right there where I would have to go in over here and change it then. Let's hit exit and go over into customize. So when I go over here to WordPress, over here you can go into customize, and we should be able to customize the logo and all of that over here. So global Here's the typography. If you want to change the text, see how that changed the text? You could change your text to different text styles. Off in here, we can go in and we can change our colors. So where is the accent theme? This text would be changed in Elementor, but I'm looking for the body text. Let's see. Is that body text that color? That's like a light blue. That's not where it is. Let me go back over here. Container. That's boxed. Our buttons. Do we have buttons? So these are our buttons. So this is where you would change your button styles. So you could change out the button styles, the button text color, and the button backgrounds. But I'm actually looking for this up in here. Let's click it here and see. There we go, design. And we should be able to find text color right here. Let's see if that changes it. So that changed the text color up there. Make it black. Okay, so we were able to change the text color from up here. And I would probably want that to be a little bit bigger. It doesn't have a sub menu. If you have a hover over, yeah, we'll have zoom in. Go over here. See if that changes that any. Different menu font. There we go. There's the sizes. So different themes, y'all, are a little bit different. And so since I've never worked with this particular theme, it's taken me a minute to find it. So here's our primary header right here. That's this whole area right here, that's covering this whole area, which is the header. We want to go in and click on the logo so we can change the logo. And let's change the logo to here. And as you see, that particular logo, my logo is a lot bigger. Let's just crop it there. And then that's the logo. Bring it down. And of course, so if I was going to use this logo, I would have to remove the background off of the logo, but just kind of showing y'all how all of that works. We did have that off, so it doesn't say that, but if we wanted it on, we could turn it on. But we got that off. We don't have a tagline there, but if you wanted to tagline there, site icon or anything like that, we're not worried about that. Over here on the Twitter stuff, that right there, that's where we would set our Instagram